I'd like to thank everybody that watched this video, man. If you are in the market for painting your car, you can use the code LSCR10 from Grant 7 Paints and Coatings. LSCR10, you get 10% off the Oh My Clear. When you see that clear, it's gonna make you say, oh my God. We're gonna be using it in the future on something, but if you wasn't in that live, you don't know what it is. But yeah, Grant 7 Painting Coatings, LSCR10, get you 10% off the Oh My Clear. Tell a friend. It's your boy LSCR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. The hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSCR254, man. Tune in for another one. Just to bring y'all an official update. We did a live yesterday. Well, hell, it might even be today whenever I decide to put this video up. Did a live. Well, actually, a couple days. We did a couple lives. One, we was recognized the problem that these spacers here were not enough to space out my wheels. I did not make sure that they were the right offset. These were some that I bought off a buddy. You know what I'm saying? It's a budget bill. You know what I'm saying? I knew that the lug pattern was the same. However, I wasn't sure about the offset. You know what I'm saying? Offset matters a lot, man. Just a tip to anybody, if you're buying rims off of somebody, offset does matter, unless, you know, they come out the same exact car. So these fit on the box Chevy as well. But one thing that I noticed about this was when I went to put them on there, y'all know we had an issue with it rubbing. The tire was touching. We were trying to decide how far or how big of a spacer that we were gonna need. Then I slept on it, and then I realized that we may have what we need right here in the garage. You know what I'm saying? A lot of times we think that just throwing money at the problem will make it go away, or we go to extreme measures. However, if you evaluate what you have, then, you know what I'm saying, you might be good to go. So these are like 1.25 inch spacers. They push the wheels out to where when the car bounces, as you can see now, like no matter how extreme or whatever it is, it's not rubbing on the outside of the tire. It's also not rubbing on the frame, so it has free movement. We're good to go. So as you can see in there, if you can't see in there, so we give a little handy dandy light here. If you look off in there, let's see. I'm trying to see if I can get y'all the best angle in there. If you can see, I guess it is kind of hard to see. But yeah, just depend upon where you're looking at it from. If you look at it, you can see that it's a spacer behind there. The reason that I didn't have to buy an adapt or buy a spacer for these is because of the simple fact that not only were those are spacers, but they're adapters as well. They changed the lug pattern from one to another. So these originally I had for the swingers. I got them when I bought the swingers. Come to find out, when I end up putting those on the Rivy, they won't need no swingers or adapters. So all I had to do was see if this adapter would fit on these wheels, and they did. They fit like a glove. So our issue our issue of rim fitment, clearance, etc., is solved, and we good to go. We good to go. So that GoPro will catch the whole car. On the phone, when we go live, it don't catch the whole thing. I also took out the little center bolt here for the hold the cap on. I went to the store today. Matter of fact, let me put that bit back on if I lose it. Put that back on there. And basically, get it off in there a little bit. And basically, I have the 2 screws that I need for that wheel. So what I had to do, I had to go to the store, measure the thread pitch of that bolt, which happened to be an M8 by 1.25. Find some ones that I could order, throw them on there, and good to go. So no further issues there. So we good, man. We good. I go ahead and take these off. So now, like, if I still want to ride this 265, like I can. You know what I'm saying? I can. Like I said, little suspension test. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna bottom out. Not rubbing the side of the tire, so we good. And that's on both sides. Cause y'all remember in the live, you could hear it. So we good. We good, baby. So make sure y'all tune in for the next one, whatever that is, whatever it's gonna be. But as far as the wheels, we're good. We are set to go. We are set to go. Gotta go back over here. Gotta see it one more time, man. Gotta see it one more time. I promise. That G-body starting to do something to me. That G-body starting to do something to me. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all. I gotta go get ready for work, man. So remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop. The grind don't stop. Gone.